we are born equal, the different roads we tack. Destiny's wild challenge is what we hit aim at. Battles fought, a costly fight we gaze across the field. Fear divides, scoring strong, only love it ever healed. We are Jock Tamson's Bairns, know I was plain to see. It's fear that gives our hatred, they're the same as you and me. Some hate very little, some hate far too much. Know a lot of common ground, each one out of touch. Happiness to embracing others we must trust. It isn't really hard today, we are come faced our dust. We are Jock Tamson's Bairns, know I was plain to see. It's fear that gives our hatred, they're the same as you and me. History attaches on our feeble minds. Division set between us, Father Time unwinds. We can't agree on everything, we drink in different bars. When it comes chocolate time, we are gaze the same stars. We are Jock Tamson's Bairns, know I was plain to see. It's fear that gives our hatred, they're the same as you and me. When anger floods our senses, fear moves we froth. Would it help to realize we're all cut same cloth? Name it fighting should there be, we've got to keep the heat. We're all connected through sister or brotherly seed. We are Jock Tamson's Bairns, know I was plain to see. It's fear that gives our hatred, they're the same as you and me. We are Jock Tamson's Bairns, know I was plain to see. It's fear that gives our hatred, they're the same as you and me.